Yeah, right. Oh, hell, okay, you know how to do that, right?
I can do it.
Spot it from the back. Watch your knees at this now. You gotta control it better. Watch it now. Give me a number. Lean it back more on your muscles here. There you go, drop it. That's it. That's it. Proud of you. We're gonna go to 10s up on you too. The next one. Let's go. Come on. Burn out on these.
6?
No, burn out. Burn out. I'll take it off, coach. Don't matter. Burn out. We're gonna do this for another set. Watch it to the front, Lee. Never know. Give me that jerk faster at the bottom. That's the problem. Not just doing it, but doing it pretty fast. Watch your knees too. Watch your knees too. Give me more of a pop up at the bottom. That's one thing good about bumpers, man. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. Drop them all goddamn day. Oh, I saw you. Give me one more. Watch it now. Be careful. Yes, sir. You on your balls. You too much on your balls and feet. I saw that. You more here. I want you more on your what? Heels. You can hurt your ACL, MCL.
Come on, try that.
Huh?
I gotta do it one
Try one time. So go more on your heels. I'm behind here in the back. Watch you in the front. You close up a little bit, but not in the video. Man. Heels. Yeah, much better, man. Point at it.